Man, seriously, is there anything more frustrating than your PC stuttering right when the game gets intense? You drop the graphics, make the game look terrible, and it still lags. It's the worst. If you want to stop raging and actually play new releases on Ultra, I found a PC on Amazon that is insanely good. The processor is the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D, which is an absolute beast for gaming right now, and it's paired with an RTX 5070. This combo can handle anything. You turn on ray tracing and the game stays buttery smooth without breaking a sweat. It comes with 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD. Basically, those endless loading screens are a thing of the past. And if you want to start a stream or edit some videos, it's got power to spare. It's the kind of PC you buy and forget about upgrading for years. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Just a heads up, buying through my Amazon link helps out the channel a ton, and it doesn't cost you a single penny extra on the PC. Go check it out. Man.